I love chicken. Like, I love chicken. I'm always looking for ways to eat chicken every day. So I was just sitting, I was curious, what will it taste like if I add chicken to my Ojojo? I've always been seeing recipes on just fish, pepper. But as a chicken lover, I was like, okay, I need to try this. So I went out, I bought the chicken, bought fish. Bank account was saying, oh, girl, don't do this. But I did it because we only live once. I wanted to know what it tastes like. And after mixing it up, remember, add a pinch of salt. And yeah, my base is Cocoyam and Wateryam. I decided to add Cocoyam this time around so it to be crunchy and all that. So I decided to fry it. As I was frying, I was like, oh, what if this thing doesn't taste nice? What if it's too much? Well, I did myself, it's chicken. And yeah, it's chicken. It was delicious. We eat this.